Well, this is one of the most important days in the rebuild of a Super Cub. You guessed it, getting the stickers. Here we go. We got a wool headliner to put in. I got the gray color, which I thought was a bad video there, but turns out that the matching paint for that color headliner is Massey Ferguson gray and Rust-Oleum from Tractor Supply. And as soon as UPS shows up with my stickers, we'll get those put on and show you what they look like. So excited. So here's the stickers I got. Screaming Arrow Graphics in Florida. Now listen, this is serious business. These stickers have important safety information. It's not like, I went to sleep last night thinking about how wonderful today was going to be because I got to put stickers on my airplane. But anyway. Replacement floors for the cockpit and the baggage area. They're the correct 1/4-inch ply for the floor in the cockpit and 3/8-inch ply for the baggage area. So, but I did do something a little different. I don't know if anybody else has done this before. I'm sure somebody has, but I put a layer of fiberglass on the floorboards of the cockpit. I didn't do it in the baggage area, but you can still see the wood grain through it. You can't even really tell it's there. And I know it adds a small amount of weight, but I thought, hey, it might add some longevity to the floorboards. They're a pain to replace unless you're doing a recover. So maybe just a little bit of abrasion protection and that kind of thing. So I opted to go with that, and we'll see how it works out. So most of the stickers are in, except for these guys. They just kind of go up somewhere like that. Can't put those in yet, because these have to be calibrated with full and empty and half and 1/4 tanks of fuel, which we can't do right now. So, even though I'm really excited to put these on, can't do it yet. So I hope we liked the video. I'm just a guy that's building a Super Cub. I got to pinch myself once in a while just because remember that's pretty cool. But, it's a budget project. So anything on the plane that is inspected and operational, it's going back on the plane. For videos coming up, I want to go back and explain, how I came by the aircraft and why it needs to be fixed and all that kind of stuff, and maybe give a little background, and then we'll cover some of the work that needs to be done to get it back in the air. So, see you next time.